Okay, let's kick in. The exam is 2 hours and it's worth 40%, and you need to answer 4 questions. Each question is worth 10 marks on the exam or 10% of your overall grade. So to get you familiar with the exam, make sure you've had a look at the practice exam. I've been able to use that quite a lot when I've been putting together the final exam. There's going to be 8 questions. You need to only answer 4, don't answer more, don't answer less. Each question's worth 10 marks, you've got 2 hours. So really it's about 25 minutes a question, or really 20 minutes with revision time. So make sure that you are following the clock the entire time. There is no hurdle, but you all should be aiming for HDs. Really, this is a subject that you should all be doing really well at and trying to do as best that you can, and it is an exam that allows you to do that. Each exam question is essay style. You need to have a short little introduction, an analysis of the question, linking to the theory that was that week. Give me some examples, any examples. These can be business examples, they can be examples that you made up, they can be organisational examples, or they can be examples from your class. And a conclusion at the end. Your intro and conclusion can be 2 sentences, that's 2 sentences, 3 sentences, that's fine. The analysis is what I really want to see, and that's where the big marks are going to come from. The questions will cover the entire course, and each question will be asked differently. They can come from any week. They'll come from either the online lesson, the in-class activities, or the essential readings. So I'm not going to quiz you on any of the extra material that's there. It is going to help you build out the answer to your questions though. There's going to be at least 1 question from an online lesson, there's going to be at least 1 question from an in-class activity, and there'll be at least 1 question from an essential reading. Now I'm not going to tell you which reading that is. The question style, they're going to be stylized as a compare and contrast A and B. Critically analyse the above statement. So I might say, communication is important for all people. Critically analyse the above statement. It might be an author argues XYZ. What is this? And then give examples. So this is probably from the essential reading. So it'll be something like, DeGench has said that emotional intelligence is incredibly important. What is an emotional intelligence? And give examples. Using detailed examples, compare or analyse. So using detailed examples, compare the different modes of communication. And finally, what should a manager do in this situation? So it could be, what does a manager do when they are coaching employees? Something like that. All the question styles are going to be the exact same as they are on the practice exam. The questions are going to be different, but how the questions are asked are going to be the same. Some of the questions will draw from multiple weeks, but most are going to focus on analysing just one topic. So I've got an example here. Emotional intelligence has been argued to be one of the most important skills in communication. Analyse the importance of emotional intelligence in coaching, counselling and discipline, and evaluate the effectiveness of these processes without emotional intelligence. So what it's asking you is emotional intelligence from week 2 and also coaching, counselling and discipline. So you're going to have to integrate the 2 there. What we've got down here is using examples, analyse how teams can effectively utilise technology to collaborate on a proposal. Again, technology and from the digital week and collaboration on a proposal, so proposal writing. So mirroring those 2 together. So make sure that if you are getting one of those questions that you're bringing in the theories from both weeks.